Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper of your Windows 11. For this guys, just you need to open your Windows 11 settings like this. In the settings in the left panel you can get the option personalization. Just open it, and here scroll down in the right panel you can get the option lock screen. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option personalize your lock screen. Just extend this menu, and from here you can easily change the wallpaper of your lock screen. So if you want to select any picture, just select the picture option. From here you can get the option to change the lock screen picture of your Windows 11. So you can also set the slideshow images for your lock screen. So from here you can easily change the lock screen image on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.